here is the Inkbird IBT-4XS Bluetooth wireless grill barbecue thermometer. That's a mouthful. But you get 4 probes with this thing. It works off an app from your smartphone. So it's real easy to carry around your phone and grill. So let's find out what's in the box, which hopefully we can get it open. All right. So you get 1 barbecue thermometer unit. And then in the box, you get 4 probes. Now, 3 of the probes are for meat, which is 3 for meat and 1 for your grilling temperature of your barbecue or oven, whatever you choose, and then a USB port charger. So let's find out what happens when you turn this thing on. All right, so I've got this hooked up to probes 1 and 3. Probe 1 is a meat thermometer, and probe 3, which I have in ice water, is the oven temperature or grill temperature. So you can see how that flashes back between 1 and 3 to show you the different temperatures. So now let's take a look at the app. All right, so here is the app, and as you can see, we're plugged into probe 1 is 72, and probe 3, which is the temperature probe for the oven, we've got it down to 34 degrees. So it's nice and big, easy to read. Let's get this all unhooked, and then we'll go up and set it up to roast a chicken in the oven and see how it does. All right, so we have got our probes. We got 2 probes, 1 in the thigh, 1 in the breast over here. This is hooked up to the microwave. It uses a magnet, and you can see the probes flipping through on there. All right, so let's get it in the oven and see how it works. All right, so I pulled the chicken out when the timer went off, and it alerts you when it's gone over. And let's see where we're sitting at here. All right, looks good.